Patlıcan Silkme. That literally means eggplant shake. And that's because once you pop all of the ingredients into the pot and put it on the stove and put the lid on the pot, your one and only job is to just shake it up and shake it up and shake it up. And at the end, once you finally remove the lid, you'll be left with a beautiful, rich, luscious eggplant dish that I know you're gonna love. So let's go to the kitchen and I'll show you just how I make it. In a large stock pot, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, sliced onions, garlic, and 1 large eggplant cubed into pieces. Then add 2 whole tomatoes, half of a small green pepper, and salt and sugar to taste. Add a pinch of black pepper, a little drizzle of water, and then place the lid right on top. Shake it up gently and transfer it to medium heat. We're going to cook the Patlıcan Silkme for about 20 to 25 minutes, shaking every 5 to 7 minutes just to make sure that it does not stick. And when it's done, it's going to smell amazing. And when you take the lid off, you'll have this beautiful, delicious, tender eggplant dish that's so flavorful. My favorite way to enjoy Patlıcan Silkme is just to pile on a big portion on a plate. Oh my goodness, it's so good. And then I just take a nice hearty dollop of süzme yogurt and just a little bit of green to garnish. And there we have it, our beautiful Patlıcan Silkme, our eggplant shake. Afiyet olsun.